Alright, welcome to the second part of this video. Here we're going to learn the simple basic modeling skill. Remember G for grab, R for rotate, and then S for scale. We're going to use what we've learned to create something. Whenever you're modeling, let's go to the front view by pressing 1. Whenever you're modeling, remember the object should be above this line. So if I have my G, then I'll move my object, remember grab and then Z2. Good. So with what we've learned, we're going to create a simple basic table. So what we're going to start with, we start by scale. SZ axis. So we scale this up. Now, apart from this, if you go to this place, you can press the end button, or you can press the end button, or you can drag it from here. You can see you can either drag it from here and then click on items, or you press the end button, shortcut for it, N, and then N. So our table is 2 meters and we want to reduce it. So we can put 0.2. Yes, so it gives us the top of the bottom table. So we have, like, let's increase the let's make this 5, for example. Let's go to the front view. With the front view, let's take this to 2 and then make this 4. Yes, we have a basic table. We can still reduce this by 0.1. Yeah, so that we have the basic table. Now you have the object like this. Now this is your object. You want to create a table. You can go to the up view, pressing 7, and then shift plus middle mouse button to drag it down. Now this is my mouse cursor. So if I want to move it like this, I'll move my mouse to the position I want the object to be, the new object, and then click on it. Now it's come here. I want to add a new object. I want to add another cube. So all I need to do is to press Shift A. Shift A is used to add any other. You can see different things here. So adding a mesh. Go to mesh. Go to cube, and then click left click, and then you have your object here. So we are going to scale this to create the length of the table. Let's make it 0.2 and then 0.2. Good. I think we are good with this. So go to the front view. G. G, Z. So I snap it here, then I'll move my table up G, Z, so it'll be on top. Good. You can zoom it with the middle mouse button, and then G, Z, and then C2. You press your grab and then hold your C to snap. Good. We have one left. Now you don't need to add another cube. All you need to do here is to duplicate this left. To do that, you right click and then it will be highlighted. Press Shift D. Shift D. You can see if you check and then click, press the x-axis to move. Now you can see it's moving in the other one. Now let me show you some trick. When you added the cube by Shift D, let me go back. You can see that you always check here. You will see object will come out. Shift D. Good. Now you can undo this movement by pressing the right click. If you don't want it to move anywhere, then G press your G and then x-axis to move it towards your x-axis. Now look at what I'm doing. My table is moving. The leg is moving towards the x-axis. Why I duplicate it? So that I have the same measurement, because everything will be the same. So we have the two legs already. So I would like to duplicate. This is already highlighted. I'll click Shift plus right click. This is already highlighted. Or Shift D, then right click to undo it. Go to my side view, and then G and Y to move the leg of the tail to this position. Good. Now we have a simple table, a basic table. Then let's duplicate this again by pressing Shift D, right click, go to front view, and then G and Z. Now what I did is I moved with then press C to snap. Of course, this is our table, but let's increase the length from here. Good. Now you can see I've scaled it, and then do this look more of a table. If you still want to scale it again, you can do that. Good. Scale it in X and Y direction. So we have made a basic table. So at this point, you can go, if you want to save it, you can either press Ctrl S, or you click on this and save. It will open a file for you. And then you can choose where you want to save it. So save it as basic modeling. And then I'm saving it. So my table is saved. So pause here and then try to model a table. Let's see. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button so that you get more videos like this. This is just simple model table. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.